Hi guys, welcome once more to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the grape ocean sea breeze drink recipe. Now, we're going to build this drink in a tall glass. In a tall glass, you're going to go ahead and add in about 7 to 10 pieces of seedless green grapes. Feel free to increase or decrease the amount of grapes that you will use in this recipe. Now you're going to go ahead with your muddler and muddle your grape to your desired texture. After which, we're going to go in with 1 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. Feel free to use freshly squeezed lemon juice if that's what you have. Top up your tall glass with your ice till your glass is completely filled up, and go ahead and pour in the blue curacao syrup solution. Now this blue curacao syrup solution is made up of 4 parts lime or lime lemon soda of choice. In this case I used Sprite, and 1 part blue curacao syrup. Now go in with your straw, stir in to mix the to incorporate the lemon juice, the lemon lime juice, with the blue curacao syrup solution that you have just poured in, and then you can enjoy. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And please, if you eventually try out this recipe, kindly drop us a comment in the comment section down below. Bye guys.